Hi there and welcome to another video from HEGARTYMATHS. It's Mr. Hegarty here and we're doing a GCSE video on expanding two single brackets and collecting like terms. If you're unsure how to expand a single bracket, look back at that video before you do this one. Right, so in this video I'd like us, as I said, to expand and collect like terms for expressions such as the following. Okay, let's start straight away with an example. The examples will say expand and collect, or sometimes they will say simplify, and they mean the same thing. Right, so let's do this question. Firstly, I'm going to go down the page and I'm going to use the identity sign to mean that what's here is identical to the expanded version. 3 multiplied by a is 3a, 3 multiplied by positive 2 is positive 6. Positive 5 multiplied by a is positive 5a, and positive 5 multiplied by positive 3 is positive 15. Now we need to collect like terms. Get your highlighter out. We've got 3a and positive 5a plus 5a. So make sure you highlight the symbol in front of the algebra, okay, the operation, and we have positive 6 or plus 6 plus another 15. So we can collect that nice and easy. Now, how many a's have we got? We've got 8a, and 6 add 15 is 21. So 8a plus 21, and we're done. Right, next example. Let's have a go at this. 5 multiplied by positive 4a is going to be 20a. 5 multiplied by positive 3 is positive 15. Positive 2, remember we've got positive 2 here multiplied by 6 is positive 12a, and positive 2 multiplied by positive 1 is positive 2. Get the highlighters out as usual. Highlight 20a, highlight plus 12a, and new colour plus 15 and plus 2. And now we're going to collect like terms. How many a's have we got? Well, we've got 32a, and 15 add 2 is plus 17, and we're done. Right, next example. The reason that's slightly more difficult perhaps is we have negatives involved here, so we've got to be extra careful when we're multiplying out our negative numbers and collecting terms. So we've got 5a multiplied by 4a is equal to 20a, and positive 5 multiplied by negative 3 is going to be negative 15. A positive multiplied by a negative is negative. And we have positive 2 multiplied by 6a, which is positive 12a, and positive 2 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. Positive multiplied by a negative is negative. Highlighter out, 20a plus 12a. That's clearly going to be 32a. Now we need to keep our wits about us here, negative 15 and negative 2. So clearly we have 32a here. The question is, what's negative 15 combined with another negative 2? Well, a couple of ways to think about this maybe. Think of a number line. Okay, if you were at, let's say, starting at this number here, negative 15, that's 0. If you're at negative 15 and you took away 2, you'd clearly be at negative 17. The other way to look at it is negative 15 could represent you owe someone £15 and you owe a different person £2. How much do you owe altogether? Well, you owe £17, which is negative 17. So negative 15 combined with negative 2 is negative 17, or subtract 17. And we're done. And example 4, one more with negatives in it. 5 multiplied by 4a is 20a. 5 multiplied by 3 is positive 15. Negative 2 multiplied by 6a is negative 12a. And negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 2. Right, highlighter out, 20a, subtract 12a, or negative 12a, which will be 8a. And we've got 15, add 2, which is 17. So clearly we have here 8a plus 17. And we're done, and they're the main examples of expanding and collecting two single brackets together. Right, what I'd like you to do is have a go at the following 10 questions and the challenge question. write each stage of your working, write the expanded form, use the highlighters, and then combine to get an answer. And then in 10 seconds, I'll show you the answers. Okay, here are the answers. So 7x plus 16, 9x plus 39, 9a plus 43, 16y plus 23, 18x plus 10, x plus 14, x plus 3. I've got two question sixes here, not to worry, that would be 7, that would be 8, 9, 10. 3x plus 4, and we've got ourselves a 7x plus 22. The extension, I didn't show the working for that, but you should be able to get here yourself, negative 8x plus 13. So that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. Thanks loads for watching.